Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get phone calls to appear on the entire screen and not just a simple banner on your iPhone. So to do this, go up to Settings and then scroll on through the settings, and we want to locate Phone. So we'll see something called Passwords on the top, Mail, Contacts, and finally Phone in the middle of the screen. Select this. Then go to Incoming Calls, and we have two options. We have Banner and Full Screen. Switch it to Full Screen. Phone, FaceTime, and other apps you use to receive calls will use the selected display style. So if you're in an application or something like that before, it's going to take up the entire screen and you'll know that a phone call is coming in. So just switch it to how you want and you should be good. Hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.